Hello everyone, my name is Barun Das. I am from section 20 and my roll number is 20MT30007. This is the submission of my second DIY assignment and I have made a very simple circuit in the Tinkercad platform. The purpose of creating this circuit is to maintain social distance between two things, compelling the buzzer to ring whenever that particular distance has been crossed by the entities. This circuit can be attached on any object and the periphery of the distance to be maintained can be marked beyond which if any other object enters, the buzzer is activated. This circuit uses a simple ultrasonic sensor, a Arduino Uno board, a breadboard, a buzzer, a LED, a resistor of resistance 1 kilo ohm and few jumper cables to make the connections. Now before we move on to understand the connections, let us first understand how an ultrasonic sensor works. The ultrasonic sensor uses sonar to determine the distance of an object. The transmitter, that is the trigger pin, sends a signal in the form of a very high frequency sound, and when the signal hits an object, it is reflected back, and the receiver, that is the echo pin, receives it. The time between the transmission and the reception of the signal allows us to calculate the distance between the object and the sensor itself. This is only possible because we know the sound's velocity in the air. Now, in terms of the connections, I have connected the ground terminal of the ultrasonic sensor to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno board, the positive terminal to the 5-volt supply. The trigger pin is connected to the pin number 13 and the echo pin is connected to pin number 12. I have also connected the 11th pin of the Arduino Uno board to the positive terminal of an LED and the buzzer, and the negative terminal of the LED and the buzzer is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino Uno board through a resistor of 1 kilo ohm resistance. I have also connected a multimeter across the LED and the buzzer so that we can measure the voltage when both of them are activated simultaneously. Now let us move on to the code. The code is also very simple with respect to this circuit. I have created two variables. One is distance and the another is distance threshold. The distance threshold is a static value, as we already know that we need to maintain a minimum of 6 feet when we are following social distancing norms, and 6 feet is approximately equal to 182 centimeters. So I have set the distance threshold to 180 centimeters. Now the next variable, that is distance, is actually the value that we will get from the ultrasonic sensor. The next two commands, that is print to serial monitor, allows us to print the distance value as centimeter in the serial monitor. The next is the if-else condition, and here if the distance is less than the distance threshold, that is 180 centimeter in this case, pin number 11 will be set to high, else pin number 11 will remain low or set to low. Now let us start the simulation of this circuit. If I now click on the ultrasonic sensor, I can see a blue dot which is at a distance of 226.0 centimeter from the ultrasonic sensor. Now if I move this dot closer to the ultrasonic sensor and within the range of 180 centimeter, we can see that the LED is glowing and at the same time the buzzer is also activated. Also the voltage across the LED and the buzzer is 1.74 volt. Now if I move the dot away from it more than 180 centimeter, we can see that neither of them is activated and the voltage is 0 volt across them. Also we can copy the code and paste it in the Arduino IDE and upload it in the Arduino Uno board. I've also made a physical version of this circuit. Also, this circuit can prove to be really helpful in the current situation, such as to maintain social distance among people in queues or any other public places. Also, it can be manipulated to be used in various other ways as well. Thank you.